Welcome to Module 3. So far, we've built a solid structure for our presentation. It has slides, layouts, and text. But let's be honest, it probably looks a little plain, just black text on a white background. In this module, we're going to become designers and make our presentations look amazing. The fastest and most effective way to give your presentation a professional makeover is by using a design theme. What is a design theme? Think of a design theme as a complete design package created by professional graphic designers. With a single click, it applies a whole set of coordinated elements to your entire presentation. A professional color palette, a matching pair of fonts, one for headings, one for body text. Specific formatting for slide elements like titles and bullet points. Using a theme is the most important step to ensure your presentation has a consistent look and feel from the first slide to the last. Consistency makes you look professional and helps the audience focus on your message, not your design choices. How to apply a theme. Let's give your plain presentation that instant makeover right now. 1. First, click on the Design tab in the ribbon. 2. You'll see a gallery of different themes. To see more, click the little drop-down arrow on the right side of the gallery. Now for the magic part. As you hover your mouse over any of these themes, you'll see your current slide instantly change to show you what it would look like. This is called a live preview, and it's a fantastic tool that lets you try before you apply. Once you find a theme you like, just click on it. Instantly, your entire presentation, every single slide, is updated with the new design. To the right of the themes gallery, you'll also see a variants gallery. These are different preset color combinations for the theme you've chosen. This allows you to quickly adjust the look while keeping the same overall design.
Let's try it. Open the presentation you've been working on. 1. Go to the Design tab. 2. Hover your mouse over at least 5 different themes. Watch how your slide changes with the live preview. 3. Choose one theme that you feel looks clean and professional and click to apply it. 4. Now, look at the variants gallery and click on a different color scheme for the theme you just chose. In less than a minute, you've completely transformed the look of your presentation.
Great job! You now know how to use design themes to give your presentation a consistent, professional, and polished look in just a few clicks. It's the first and most important step in designing an effective presentation. But what if you like a theme, but the colors don't quite match your company's logo or brand? In our next lesson, we'll learn how to take a theme and customize its colors and fonts to get the exact look you need. I'll see you there.